It has been a while. Time for a Fast Friday. Hi everyone, welcome to Pal to Tech. Today we are talking about a fast way on an X-T5 where you can quickly preview what your image looks like in black and white. Why would you want to do this? For example, with real saturated colors, it's just too distracting seeing all of these gemstones on Thanos' glove. But switch it in black and white and I start to see the shape better. Removing all that color for a second so I can line it up and think about the composition is removal of one less distraction. Now, while you can certainly switch film simulations to a black and white film sim so that you can see in your viewfinder a black and white version of your image, there is a better way. First, go into the IQ section of your camera menu into Auto Update Custom Setting and make sure that is disabled. Next, go back to your normal camera area here and make sure that you have your camera in your normal shooting settings, right? Whatever you normally have set in the IQ section of your menu for things like tone curve, color, sharpness, and so forth. Then go ahead and set your film sim to black and white. I choose Acros. Go back to the IQ section, into Edit Save Custom Setting, and you're going to create a new custom setting. And you'll see it's been saved as Custom 1. Go back into it, and you can edit the name, and I recommend naming it something simple and familiar. I'll call this BW for black and white. Go ahead and set, and now you have one for black and white. So what we have just done is assigned Custom 1 to a black and white film sim that we're going to use in just a second to quickly pull up to preview in the LCD. So next, go back into your film simulations and choose whatever film simulation you're going to be using for the shoot that you're going to be working on. I'll go ahead and choose Provia. Then go back into the IQ section, into Edit Save Custom Setting, and create a new one. This is going to be C2, which of course is now the Provia film simulation. Again, going back into IQ, Edit Save Custom Setting, and of course we should probably name these. Go ahead and name it. Let's create one more, which will be C3, just for the heck of it. I'll go back into my film sims and I'll choose Velvia. Back into the IQ section again, into Edit Save Custom Setting, and I'm going to create a new third custom setting, and we'll name this Saturated. I'll just call it SAT for now. So now we have the C1, which is a black and white film sim, a normal one, which is the one I'm going to use when I'm out shooting, and for the fun of it, I just created a C3. And that's just to show you that you can also have additional ones created and still use this trick. The next thing you're going to want to do is assign a custom button so that you can press it and quickly have it preview black and white. And instead of a custom button, I'm going to assign a swipe gesture. And in order to do that, I need to go into button dial setting and make sure that touchscreen setting is on. It should be on. It is on by default, but in case it's not, that's how you turn it on. So now let's assign the black and white shortcut. I press and hold down DISP back button. And in this screen right here, I'm going to scroll down until I get to my customizable swipe gestures. You see them right here. And I'm going to choose this one right here, swiping from left to right. In the menu, look for something called Recall Custom 1 Setting. Recall, not select, but recall. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now I am out and about shooting and I want to get a quick black and white preview of what I'm seeing through the viewfinder. All I have to do is use my finger and go like this. Boom. Have a look at that. And back. Boom. Black and white color, black and white color. So what I'm actually doing here is I am using that assigned swipe gesture to toggle, right, between whatever custom setting or whatever I'm shooting with to what I had in the C1 settings. And what's great about this shortcut is that it works no matter what custom setting you're in or what you've done to your camera while you're out shooting. For example, I'll now go into, say, Pro Negative High, and again, I'll swipe to the left. Look at that. Well, there you go. A real easy way to assign a shortcut button or a swipe gesture to allow you to quickly toggle back and forth to show you a black and white view of your scene. Please remember that if you use the technique, right, that I showed you, where you assign a shortcut gesture to quickly switch to black and white, if you actually take the photo while it's in that preview of black and white, your photo is going to be in black and white, okay? So remember to just switch back. Now for today's demo, I was showing you the swipe gesture. You don't have to do that. You could in fact assign any custom button that you want to do the same thing. It's that time again for a very important announcement, and then I'll be right back. We've got a brand new Gear Iguana Hall of Fame member to add to the studio wall. Gear Iguana, what do you say about this? Okay. Paul Sanchez. Paul, thank you so much for joining the Gear Iguana Hall of Fame and being a member of Backstage. Now, before we do another thing, let's get your name added to the studio wall. Well, Paul, there you go. Your name is now permanently a part of this studio. You know, just out of frame, but it is there, trust me. Thank you so much for your support. Now for the rest of you, if you have not yet joined Pal2Tech Backstage, what are you waiting for? Backstage is the area where I share all of the behind-the-scenes stuff of the making of these videos, what goes on behind the channel, and Backstage will also give you exclusive access to our private Discord server. I start the week off with an exclusive coffee time video that goes into detail about the coming week's videos, what's going on backstage, and so much more. So be sure to check out pal2tech.com/backstage for more information, and Gear Iguana and I will see you over there. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you found the video helpful, or at least entertaining. And if you did, be sure to give it the like and subscribe. I am going to be signing off right now, but please have a wonderful weekend. Get out there, come up with some cool ideas for what I showed you, and I will see you in a new video next week. Take care.